I don't know. You wanna stop by later? Maybe I'm gonna fix something tea. You wanna grab something from the street, bring it home? But yeah,
How are you? Did you miss us? This is Audrey.
Hey!
Hey. Here's my little girl. Say hi, Mama.
Y'all see this jukebox right here? Classic. But unfortunately, it does not work. Do not accept the money. But it looks so nice though. It's real nice. This is their selection. All these pies, homemade pie kitchen. Back in the view. Back in the view. Homemade pie kitchen. Look, that's the place right there. Oh, I'm sorry. Looking at the ice cream. Hey, everybody, this is the part of the bar. You got ice cream? Girl, you got ice cream? Girl, look at your ice cream. Girl, is it good?
Yeah.
Girl, I knew it was good. I knew ice cream was good. Mm-hmm.
How's that cake?
How your ice cream taste?
It's good.
Was good?
We got a lot of stuff.
How'd your ice cream taste, Will?
Oh, good.
Good? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very
Mhm.
cheesecake? Bussin'.
What's that looking like?
Oh, your cheesecake?
Bussin'.
Yeah. That's chocolate.
Oh, yeah, that looked good. It looked rich.
Chocolate with chocolate and
Oh,
chocolate.
yours look extra rich. No. Oh, yeah. What you got over here on this side? Little caramel cake. Little caramel cake. It look nice. Yeah.
So here we go on my birthday.
All right, what did you get?
Double custard. Chest pie.
Chest pie.
Another one of these.
Okay.
I don't know what that. I'm gonna have it. Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cookie.
Cookie. Big cookie.
Oh.
Jim Dandy's.
Been here so long.
We ain't been here in a minute.
Look, Andy's on straight to.
Andy's across the street. Right there. That's how you know we in Louisville. Andy's and Jim Dandy's. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get it.
Yeah. We're at White Castles. You can see a better sign, but home with the dirty burger.
The dirty burger. That's right. They are called dirty burgers.
That's what I call it.
That's hilarious.
We got the impossible ones because we don't eat meat, but you know,
Yeah.
if you do eat meat,
That's still good.
get a regular one.
That's still really good.
Delicious. So our order, we got six sliders. Then we got a large fry and a big red because
You gotta get the big red.
it feels so good to be able to order a big red in the drive-thru. You know what? I really took Big Red and Grippos
For granted.
and White Castles for granted. I'm so sorry. I really am. To the people who make all these things, I am.
To the creators.
You deserve better.
Yeah.
And that's all I know for sure. You tired? Y'all, I'm sleepy. We didn't even.
Long trip.
We tried to fill every second, and we still didn't get to see all of our friends
Yeah.
or family. And
We did best we could though.
yeah, we did, but
Well, yeah.
we had to come back home because
We have to.
it's a lot of people in the city that we need to see,
Yeah.
and we just like,
But it was a good time though. It was
Yeah.
a great time with all the people we could see.
yeah. We look exhausted.
Hmm?
We look tired.
Yeah. Cause you are tired.
Look at your face.
I think I do look tired. I'm tired.
You do. Your skin looks clear.
Yeah, it's good.
Not bad. Right. Anyways, about to get this food. This line is not moving. We've been in the same spot for, I don't know. But, you know, it's worth it. I need a shirt. Anyways, goodbye. Alright, y'all. Quick clip. This is what White Castles looks like. A little,
We got the goods.
what's a little pouch? I don't know, box.
Little sliders.
It's open like this. If you've ever had one, like in the frozen section of a store.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's not the same.
It's not.
It's not the same.
It looks so plain, but I'm trying to tell you. Got a little pickle on there, cheese. Shit, well, depends. But probably cheddar. And then you got a little sack of fries. And the star of the show, a Big Red. And the ice. Best ice ever. That's it. I prefer to eat mine with honey mustard to dip. You can do what you need to do.
Right.
Alright, we're gonna eat them.
Cool.
Oh, we're headed. Sorry, update. We're headed to his mom's farm. The last stop of the trip.
Yeah.
So it's really beautiful out there. We've seen everybody that we can in this short amount of time. Head to the farm, and we will be there in about an hour.
Yep. That's how long it takes to get to the farm.
Literally. So, on the road again.
On the road again. This is the farm. This is the farm life. Hey, it's popping. Yup, look at all this. We in the barn right now. Here out. Got all this farm equipment. Got the 4-wheelers right here. Yup. This is nice. This is my mama. Yeah, hey mama, how you doing? This is one of the ones at Imperial Farms. This is my sister. She don't like being in the camera. But we out here. Imperial Farms. It's amazing. Mama on the 4-wheeler. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. We on the 4-wheeler right now. Can you get the content of the 4-wheeler?
Hope y'all can hear us.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready? Go. 4-wheeler in action. Room.
It's so pretty out here. Not pretty.
That's nice. Look at those cows.
Where are they? Oh, look, hi.
Look at what's up? What up, everybody? Yeah.
Cute, isn't it? This is, oh, look at those. Aww. Hi.
Look at them over eating.
They're like, what are you looking at? Hey, y'all. Look at that. Look. That one's new. These look like little babies, like little toddlers.
Little toddler babies.
Little toddler cows.
Little toddler cows. Look at them just in there chilling in the shade. Yes.
Wait, let's try to get next to this one a little bit. I can see up close.
Yeah.
As close as they'll let us go.
Just in there chilling. Look at them eating. Grazing the land.
Hi.
What's up? What's up, big boy?
She ain't studying us at all.
No, he ain't. He's eating.
Look at that little baby. Oh, there's so many new faces.
Yeah. Look at two on the right, chilling. Oh, they watching.
Hi.
They not even scared. That's crazy. The other ones were scared.
They
See?
were. You see?
Look at them.
Oh. Hi.
What's up?
Hello, baby. There's a lot of babies. Oh my god. They're everywhere. Oh. Y'all, he's flying. Yeah, okay. But for real, on this though, 10 miles
There you go.
feels like a lot. Alright, y'all. I'm walking on the pond. He's gone. He's way over there by the pond. Hi. You are so pretty. Look at how he's riding up. Yeah. Yeah. That stick over there, look, it went right through my shoe. That's why you need the real boots on out here, because that was almost my foot. You going to the pond? Okay.
Look at her opening gates at the farm. Yeah. Go on, do what you do, baby. Go on, do what you do. I ain't never seen nobody open up a gate like that. Oh. You so good at what you do, baby. Look at her back there. Look at her. Yeah, record you get behind it.
Alright, you ready?
Alright, you want to touch the camera?
On top of that, yeah, the log.
What's up, little guy?
Hello. Hey.
Yeah, ain't no trouble. Was he live or he?
I think he was live. What's up, BB? What's up, Laverne? I got you, mama. See the head? See the head right there? Right there. What I got? Right. I'm gonna take that out. Take that out there. What's up? What's up? How you doing? How are you doing? Have you ever seen a donkey before? In person?
Look how close they are.
He's like right here in front of our faces. You can see his BB's hair. I think it's his BB.
Oh, that's
Right?
Laverne.
This is Laverne?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought BB had the hair. What's up? That's Laverne. Oh, that's BB. Wait, Laverne. This is BB. This is BB. What's up, Laverne?
Man, like we got visitors.
What's up, BB? What's up, BB? How you doing? What's up? Your hair's so nice. What's up?
Yeah, they talk to you. If you talk to them nice, the animal lover, they love it. You know, Dr. Doolittle, right?
Yeah, that's right. What's up? Oh. I'll let you do your thing. Don't ever be behind them. I got you.
How friendly they are.
Right. Don't be behind them.
They say they are.
Look at Tyson. Getting it done. Getting it done.
And then he just drives it.
Yeah, he just be driving that thing.
Why are you doing so much stuff on this phone?
It's
He's
crazy.
so cool because
He's the coolest.
he can do anything. I
For
swear.
real.
I think so.
For real. I really
Think he
do.
can
I
do
really do believe he can do anything.
So that's just my guess, but
Yeah.
it seems like it.
Yeah, we got this thing started. There's a Bam Bam. Crazy.
Let's do it.
My sister just dropped us off.
Doing great.
She's doing great.
Is she gonna go fast?
She about to go take off. When she gets that straight away, she gonna take off. Look at her. All that smoke.
That looks so cool.
It does.
Look at her. That's pretty. There she is.
With more content last one. Look at that. You see that?
I would make a suggestion that it's probably about this. Alright, y'all, so this is the end.
Yeah,
Cutting your head off. This is the end of our Louisville trip. We love it. It's been such a good time. We love y'all, and
We
we'll
love
see you next time.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy Louisville.
Yeah,
Bye.
it's a great time. Our favorite cat,
Louis.
Louis.
Oh, they're coming up from the tractor.